Are you still betting your business on social media? What if I told you that the very platforms you've relied on for growth are about to let you down? In 2026, the rules of digital engagement are changing fast. Social media is losing its magic, ad costs are skyrocketing, and consumers are tightening their wallets. But here's the disruptor. The brands that win won't be the loudest on Instagram or TikTok. They'll be the ones who turn their websites into powerful, self-sustaining growth engines. If you're ready to future-proof your business and outpace competitors, keep watching. Because what worked yesterday won't work tomorrow. For years, social media was the promised land for business growth. But today, organic reach is plummeting and paid ads are draining budgets without delivering real results. Algorithms change overnight. Privacy rules cut off your data, and suddenly, the audience you thought you owned is out of reach. This isn't just a blip. It's a seismic shift. In this new era, brands are realizing that they can't rely on rented platforms to build lasting relationships or drive sales. That's why websites are making a comeback, but not as static pages. They're evolving into interactive, data-rich hubs that put you back in control of your brand, your community, and your destiny. Today's websites are nothing like the digital brochures of the past. They're dynamic, engaging, and central to every part of the customer journey. Imagine your website as a control center. It's where you collect valuable first-party data, deliver personalized experiences, and foster genuine community. You're no longer at the mercy of social algorithms or rising ad costs. Your website is your home base. Websites now serve as the main storefront, the data collection hub, and the community center for your brand. Tools like AI-driven personalization, interactive content, and member portals are transforming how you connect with your audience. And by building out content libraries, think blogs, videos, and resources, you're not just boosting SEO. You're keeping visitors engaged and coming back for more. But how do you actually sell in this new reality? The answer: smarter, not louder. Businesses are weaving their websites into every channel. Email, SMS, even in-person touchpoints, to create seamless, omni-channel experiences that drive loyalty and trust. In a world where every dollar counts, your website must clearly communicate value, offer flexible pricing, and reward loyalty. Transparency is your secret weapon. With economic anxiety at an all-time high, consumers want to see real reviews, clear guarantees, and straightforward policies. Subscription models and bundled offers are gaining traction, giving customers more value while helping businesses stabilize revenue. And in a fast-changing market, your messaging needs to pivot quickly. So your website should be agile, ready to address new concerns and trends at a moment's notice. Let's address the elephant in the room. Economic instability in the U.S. is making consumers think twice before every purchase. That's not just a challenge. It's an opportunity for brands willing to adapt. Position your products as essential, not just nice to have. Show how you solve real problems or help customers save money. Innovative payment options, like buy now, pay later, or exclusive discounts, can tip the scales for hesitant buyers. But don't stop there. Educate your customers. Use your website to provide ROI calculators, comparison guides, and in-depth resources that help people justify their decisions. And remember, your best customers are your current ones. Double down on loyalty programs and community features to keep them coming back, even when spending slows. So, what does it take to future-proof your website for 2026 and beyond? Speed, personalization, and adaptability. Your site needs to be lightning fast, mobile first, and accessible to everyone. AI and automation aren't just buzzwords. They're essential tools for delivering the kind of smart, tailored experiences today's consumers expect. But above all, focus on building assets you own. Your website, your email list, your community. These are the foundations that will carry your business through whatever comes next. Monitor your analytics, test new ideas, and never stop optimizing, because the brands that adapt fastest will leave the competition behind. Here's the bottom line. Social media is no longer a sure thing. Economic headwinds are real. But your website? That's your unfair advantage, if you build it right. The brands that invest in their websites now will not only survive, but thrive in 2026. And if you're ready to take action, there's one platform designed to help you do it all: Hive1.io. Hive1 brings together everything you need: website building, data collection, personalization, community, and sales tools in one powerful, easy-to-use platform. Don't leave your business future to chance. Visit hive1.io today and start building your growth engine for the new era. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. How are you evolving your website for 2026? Let's keep the conversation going, because the future belongs to the bold.